Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and in this video I will show you how to use Bank2QIF utility. You can download Bank2QIF at propersoft.net/products/Bank2QIF. Click the download button and then select Windows or Mac version to start download. Once downloaded and installed, start Bank2QIF. In this video I will skip the installation process as I already have it installed. Read the welcome message as it provides important details about the conversion process. Select a file with transactions. It could be a PDF file for bank or credit card statement, QIF or QMTF file exported from Quicken or another accounting software, OFX, QFX, QBO, STA or MT940 file downloaded from online banking. Review transactions before converting. Make sure dates are correct, expenses are negative, and payments to the account are positive. Set the account type, and depending on the QIF target, set the account name as you have in Quicken. When you convert for multiple accounts, make sure to adjust account type and, if required, account name when you start working on another account. QIF Target is important to set matching your accounting software, as the converter will create the QIF file version compatible with your software. There are some other settings that discussed in another video. I would skip this for now as you need them only in specific situations and you know when you need to change these settings. Set the Open After Save checkbox if you would like the software installed on your computer to open created QIF file. So the converter will create the QIF file and then will ask the software installed on your computer for QIF files to open or import created QIF file. So if you have Quicken installed, then it would be Quicken to open and import created QIF file. Click the Convert button and confirm the file name and the file location. In this case, in this video, we will be manually importing created QIF file. So to import the QIF file in Quicken, switch to Quicken and then click File, File Import, QIF file. Then click Browse, select created QIF file, and then for Quicken 2018 or later, you need to select account where you want to import transactions. For Quicken 2017 or earlier, you have to select all accounts to import QIF file. And click Import. Transactions are imported. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.